guys, I'm Will. Today we're going to be working on a 99 Z28 Camaro, replacing the turn signal lamp with a clear lamp. I've looked all over YouTube and couldn't find a video for it, so I'm going to make one. This can also serve as the bulb replacement as well. The 96 to the 90 to the 98 should be the same process as the 99 to 02. So here we go. You need a 10mm socket and a 7mm wrench or socket. What you're going to do is you're going to take this bolt right here out behind the bracket, right in here. See where my finger is? Start by taking that bolt out. Slide your headlight. Come right out. Unclip your electrical wires. Set that out of the way. If you look right inside here, you'll see your two bulbs. And if you're replacing one of them, just whichever one you're going to replace, turn it and pull it out. Just like that. Now if you're replacing the actual lamp itself, you got three bolts. You got one here. Let me get my light. You got one here, one over here, and then there's one right down here in the bottom. You're going to take all three of those out. Now the two bolts on the outside are the same. This one that I'm working on right now is different, so make sure you remember that when you're going to put them back in. Now I've seen the videos where people take the splash guard on the bottom off, and that actually takes, if you're going to do something like this, it's going to take about 30 or 40 minutes. Doing it like this is probably the fastest and easiest way. You just pull up on it. You have to push it out a little bit and pull out the corner over here and slide right out. There you go. That's the lens we're going to be going back with. It's clear. and just slide it in just like you slid the other one out. And you have to watch this piece of styrofoam here because it'll get caught up on it. New lens is in. The bolt on the bottom is going to be a sharp tip bolt. Remember, like I said, remember that one. You want to snug these down, but don't get them too tight because you'll break the plastic. Alright, the new lamp is in. We're going to replace the bulbs. As you can see, we've got an issue with this one, so we're going to make another video later on how to replace your connectors and how to troubleshoot your wiring system. If you have something like this that happens where the bulb breaks off, it's not that big a deal. Just get you a pair of pliers and pull that out. Just like so. See how it's corroded on the inside? We're going to have to come back later and replace those. And a lot of this is caused from condensation and moisture that's built up in the light from the previous owner before I owned the car. When you put your new bulbs in, be sure not to touch the lens. If you don't have the latex free, powder free gloves or a clean pair of gloves, just get you a clean towel and use it to touch the bulbs. If you touch it with your bare fingers, the bulb will burn out in a short period of time. And it's the same with the smaller bulb. And that's going to be it for now, guys. If y'all have any questions or want to see anything else, leave me a message on YouTube. Y'all have a good day.